everyone, and thanks for picking up a STEM kit from the library to make your very own weather vane. So I'm going to go through the instructions for the weather vane with you. It's a little bit tricky to kind of put together on your own, so I thought this might be helpful. So we're going to start with step number 1, which is to adhere the foam ring to the center of the foam square. And the foam ring is actually this white circle that has 2 sides to it. If you peel off the white side, it's sticky underneath, so go ahead and peel that off. And we're going to stick it right in the center of our large foam square. Then it says to adhere the foam circle in the center of the foam ring. So our foam circle is this other yellow circle that's a little bit thicker than our white circle. We're going to peel off the other white sticker, just like that. And then we are going to put this foam circle on top of it. Now if you have a little piece of foam in your circle that is blocking it from being a hole, go ahead and punch that out. So once you've done that, we can stick our foam circle onto our foam ring, just like that. Yep. And then we're going to insert our dowel, so that's our little wooden stick, right in the middle where that hole in the center is. Yeah. And then we're going to take our cup and we're going to place our cup over it. So the hole is going to go right through for that dowel, and you're just going to arrange it so that your cup covers the foam circle. So you're going to push it down until it touches the bottom of the foam square, right? So it's nice and sturdy. Okay. Then it asks us to insert the letters north, south, east, and west in the slots on the base. So you'll see on your square you've got these little indentations that you can pull out to put your letters in. We'll do that now. And then here are our letters, which you also need to punch out. Perfect. So we have our N for north. I'll just put that at the top here. We have our E. There we go, for east. We'll put our east down here. We have our W for west. And we have our S for south. Now remember that these should point to the correct direction. So if you've got north at the top, then south should be at the bottom, right? And east should be to the right of north, and west should be to the left of north, okay? Now you'll need a compass or something to show you outside which direction north is coming from, but make sure you have your letters in the right place first. Then it wants you to adhere the arrow pieces to the straw. So we're going to take one of our straws like this, and the arrow pieces are these 2 blue pieces, right? So the one that kind of looks like a bow tie, we're going to peel the white piece off, and you're going to end up folding it over one end of your straw to form the point of our arrow. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And these are very sticky, so be careful as you do your arrow pieces so that it folds over nicely. So line it up with the middle and then bring that over. And you kind of want to press on the sides a little bit to seal it so that it sticks really well onto your straw. And then on the other side, we're going to make the other half of our arrow. So we're going to take the other big blue piece that looks like this. If you have that diamond in there, just punch that out. We don't need that. And we're going to do the same thing. See, there's another white sticker on the back. And what's going to happen is our straw will lay like this. Make sure that each side is nice and flat so that when you put it together, you can see it points as an arrow. You don't want it to be flipped like that, so nice and flat. All right, so we're going to peel off our white sticker. And then we're going to put our straw right at the base of the point of that diamond, like that. And then we're going to take it and fold it over. And again, we're going to pinch those sides a little bit to press down all around so that it sticks really well. And there you have your arrow. Pretty cool, huh? All right. And then we're going to put our second straw over our dowel in the cup like this. And now all we have to do is attach our arrow to the cup. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this a little bit so that you can see what that's going to look like. So right here we want to line up our straws just like that, and we're going to take this yellow piece that has another one of those white stickers, and we're going to peel that sticker off and fold this over so that it ends up holding up our arrow like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Put this back where it was. Peel that sticker off. And here's where you might want to have a second set of hands to help you keep it nice and stable while you put on this last piece. But if you're careful, you can probably do it. See how it goes. Just like that. And then we're going to fold it over. All right, and there is our finished weather vane. So see, this is going to spin free, and I did make a little bit of a mistake there. You'll see there's a bit of extra sticky, but that's okay, it'll still work. So when you take this outside, make sure you have a compass with you so that you can find which direction is north. And then as the wind blows on this, it's going to tilt the arrow and tell you which direction the wind is coming from. And there you go, you've made your very own weather vane, and you'll always be able to know which way the wind is blowing. I hope you enjoy making this craft at home, and maybe use it in your backyard to see if you can figure out where all of our wind is coming from, and watch it spin real fast if it's a really, really windy day, yeah? Just be careful that your base doesn't fly somewhere, so maybe weigh this down with some rocks. All right, we'll see you at our next craft kit. Thanks for sharing this one with us. Bye.